Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a will. While a will typically doesn't require notarization to be legally valid, understanding the process can be beneficial. We'll explore when notarization might be useful, such as for a self-proving affidavit, and outline the straightforward steps involved. This information will help you ensure your estate planning documents are as robust as possible, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Notarization, while not always mandatory, can significantly enhance the strength of your will. It's particularly useful for creating a self-proving affidavit, which some states recognize. This affidavit, signed by you and your witnesses in the presence of a notary, can help streamline the probate process by providing prima facie evidence that the will was properly executed, potentially saving your loved one's time and effort. To notarize your will, first ensure it's correctly signed by you, the testator, and at least 2 witnesses. Next, locate a qualified notary public. All parties, you and your witnesses, must appear together before the notary. The notary will verify everyone's identity, typically requiring a government-issued photo ID, and then witness the signing of the self-proving affidavit. They will then affix their official seal and signature. Remember, notarization is an additional step and does not replace the fundamental requirement of having your will properly witnessed. It's crucial to consult with an attorney to ensure your will complies with all local and state laws, as these regulations can vary significantly. An attorney can provide tailored advice, ensuring your will is legally sound and effectively reflects your wishes for your estate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.